mega machines, like people, come in many different shapes and sizes. And they all have their uses. Sometimes they dig for treasure. Hi, I'm Trevor. Oh yeah, first time. Gosh dang it. I need 7 bars. Woohoo! Gotcha. Six to go. Oh no, I dropped it. Oh. Well, all right, here it comes. There we go. Let's keep on trucking. I need 5 more. All right, 2 down. Whew. Only 3 more bars to go. This is a tricky one. Gotcha. Two more down. Nearly there. I just need 1 more. Oh, I found 3. Oh no, they slipped right through my fingers. Let's try it again. Oh. Second time lucky. This is very difficult, but I'm not giving up. I can do this. Gotcha. Done. I wonder how Greg the Spinner is doing.
Hey, I'm Greg the Spinner. Here they go. Are you ready? It's spinning time! My scope is 6 meters long. I can fit so much stuff in it. Now, back the other way. All right, let's stop before they get too dizzy. Well, that was fun, guys. Catch you next time. I wonder how lofty the crane is doing.
Cranes are normally the tallest mega machines on the building site. There are lots of different types of cranes, and they have lots of different purposes. But they all go up, and they all go down. Hey, I'm Lofty. Today I'm going up. Up we go.
I can extend my lift arm to 20 meters in length. I think I can still go higher. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's see how high I can get. Is that high enough yet? Nope, we are going further. Oh, don't look down. It's really high up here. Wow! I can see a boat driving around in circles. Down we go. Hold on. My lift works with hydraulics. Isn't that clever? Nearly there. We got so high. That was so cool, guys. Wow.